I will now give the floor to South Africa, which we welcome as one of the most recent member states. South Africa, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for giving South Africa the floor, and we wish to congratulate you on your election as chair of the session. South Africa is honored to participate in this 11th session of the General Assembly as a recently ratified state to the 2003 UNESCO Convention on Intangible Cultural Heritage. We regard our participation as a significant milestone in strengthening the protection, promotion, and transmission of living heritage to present and future generations. We wish to express our sincere appreciation to the Secretariat for the continued efforts in advancing the safeguarding of ICH globally. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to the UNESCO Regional Office for Southern Africa for its invaluable support and partnership in assisting South Africa to advance the implementation of the Convention and strengthen national capacities for the safeguarding of ICH. South Africa remains firmly committed to the objectives and principles of the Convention and recognizes intangible cultural heritage as a vital resource for cultural diversity, social cohesion, sustainable development, and intergenerational knowledge transfer. ICH is the pulse, heartbeat, and source of human ingenuity that defines the essence of who we are as family of nations. Indeed, Mr. Chairman, there is no nation in the world that can define itself outside of its intangible cultural heritage. We further recognize the important contribution of ICH to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly in areas such as education, gender equality, sustainable communities, environmental stewardship, and inclusive economic development. At the national level, South Africa has established various legislative and policy frameworks that support the safeguarding of living heritage and indigenous knowledge systems. In addition, Mr. Chairman, the government has established an Intangible Cultural Heritage Advisory Panel to support the implementation of the Convention, including the Living Human Treasures Book Project, which recognizes the knowledge holders and cultural practitioners who play a critical role in transmitting indigenous knowledge and cultural practices. Since its inception in 2019, the program has produced 28 publications documenting the contributions of these custodians of living heritage. In partnership with communities, Mr. Chair, cultural institutions, and academic bodies, South Africa is also strengthening the documentation and inventorying of ICH. South Africa further recognizes the important role of digital technologies in preserving, documenting, and promoting living heritage, while ensuring that community rights, cultural sensitivities, and ethical considerations remain central to these processes. In conclusion, Mr. Chair, South Africa reaffirms its commitment to strengthening collaborations with UNESCO, state parties, and communities to ensure that ICH remains a living resource that contributes to cultural identity, social cohesion, cultural diplomacy, and sustainable development. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, South Africa. And